Hi everyone! Today, I'm super excited to color GJ. Before we start, I've already prepared the markers I'll be using. First, red marker, yellow marker, green marker, orange marker, vivid pink marker, sky blue marker, and finally, skin-colored marker. All right, friends, are you ready? Let's start coloring.
Open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The driver on the bus says move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says move on back, all through the town. The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town. Come on, friends, let's color today. Paper and crayons ready to play. Blue sky, yellow sun so bright. Let's draw together, it's pure delight. Red, yellow, green, blue, and orange too. All the colors of the rainbow just for me and you. Coloring's fun, let your creativity run. Let's color together, everyone. Flowers, trees, and butterflies. With our crayons they come to life. Purple, pink, and shades of gray. We'll color the world in our own way. Red, yellow, green, blue, and orange too. All the colors of the rainbow just for me and you. Coloring's fun, let your creativity run. Let's color together, everyone. With each stroke, a masterpiece. In our world of colors we find peace. Let's share our art for all to see. A rainbow